Installing the Sunsquare Aero Access Skylight is a straightforward process, requiring only basic hand tools and a power drill to secure the provided fasteners. Start by firmly applying sealant tape around the pre-installed curb to ensure a watertight seal between the curb and skylight frame. Carefully place the skylight onto the curb, centering it over the opening. Use shims if needed for even spacing. Refer to the wiring diagrams to operate the skylight fully open. Before the main power installation is completed, you can wire it to a drill battery to operate the hatch. Secure the skylight to the upstand using the supplied screws in the pre-drilled holes, avoiding over-tightening to prevent frame distortion. After fixing, apply the screw caps to all fixing holes for a clean finish. Finally, attach the internal actuator covers to each actuator, pressing firmly against the fixing tabs for a secure fit. The skylight installation is now complete and ready for use as an access point whenever needed.